If we were able to create a neural map of a consciousness, it would still be a complex and challenging task to duplicate and install it into an artificial robotic shell. While we have made advancements in understanding brain function, consciousness is still not fully understood. Additionally, the human brain is incredibly intricate, with billions of neurons and their connections, making it difficult to replicate accurately. Even if we were able to create a duplicate of the neural map, transferring it into a robotic shell would require a deep understanding of how the brain interacts with the body. We would need to replicate not only the cognitive functions but also the sensory and motor systems. At this stage, such a process remains purely speculative and falls within the realm of science fiction. However, advances in brain-computer interfaces and artificial intelligence may lead to exciting possibilities in the future.